No, no. No, I'll go next. This is the elevator at the entrance of IKEA in Lakeside. It's a Schindler MRL. Full speed in a twin door. I like that. I think it's coming down now. It's just still on first floor. There he is, but it's burning them out. So level. It's got one door close button works. I like that. And then we'll do my cameras going up. It's a pretty basic Schindler. It's got rears, floor indicator. Capacity is 200 kilos, 26 persons. It's built 2017. Class level. Go back to 0. And then into it. Here we are, back down 0. Now we can exit the airbag, class level, and that's it.